friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking Trader Joe's pre-cooked pork belly in the air fryer. If you're looking how to cook a raw pork belly in the air fryer, I also have a recipe on my channel as well. Just search my channel for air fryer pork belly Melanie Cooks. But if you have a Trader Joe's near you and you're looking for a shortcut, this is perfect. So it's already cooked, but we are using air fryer to heat it up and to crisp it. So let me open up the packaging of Trader Joe's pork belly. This is sold in the refrigerator section of Trader Joe's, so it's not frozen, it's just refrigerated. And now let me open this. And now I'm going to slice it. So here's the skin side. So the reason why I'm slicing it is because if I put the whole big pork belly in the air fryer, it's very easy to burn the top while the inside will still be cold. So by slicing it, we're making it heat up more evenly, and it just makes it easier. And now let's take out the air fryer basket, and I'm going to put the slices of Trader Joe's pork belly in the air fryer in a single layer. And I'm going to put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 9 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Wow, look at this pork belly. It looks amazing, so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. Let's take it out of the air fryer. Perfect. Look how good it looks. Amazing. You might be thinking, why did she cook it for 9 minutes when it was already pre-cooked? Well, if you put it for less, let's say 5 minutes, it will still be heated through, but in order for this browning to happen and the fat starts melting, 9 minutes was the perfect timing. It just creates a better texture and this nice brown finish. And now, let me try it. I'm so excited about it. I love pork belly. Let's try it. So look how soft it is. Cuts so easily. Tastes so delicious. It's so juicy and moist. Amazing flavor, so soft and tender. If you have Trader Joe's near you, I do highly recommend trying this pork belly. It's a great cooking shortcut, instant dinner, and it's so delicious. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!